How can you graduate knowing the Pythagorean theorem, but not how to build wealth? If you felt unprepared for the financial world, you're not alone. The answer is shocking. It's not that the system is broken. It was designed this way. For years, school prepared you for a job, but never taught you what to do with the money. Today, we'll uncover why the system teaches you to be a good employee, but not a wealthy individual. Section 1, the problem, a universal blind spot. The moment we graduate, we face credit scores, taxes, and loans with zero training. A 2022 poll confirms this, with 80% of adults wishing they'd taken a personal finance course in high school. We miss the fundamentals: budgeting, filing taxes, the difference between good and bad debt, and how compound interest can either trap you or make you rich. We're given tools to earn an income, but no instructions on how to use it. This isn't a minor oversight, it's a foundational gap with lifelong consequences. Section 2, agitate, the crippling consequences. The first consequence is debt. With no financial training, young adults become prime targets for high-interest credit cards, car loans, and decades-long student loans. This knowledge gap makes them vulnerable to predatory lending practices, trapping them in a cycle of debt. Beyond debt, there's the missed opportunity to build wealth. The most powerful tool for this is compound interest, which requires time. By not teaching investing in school, the system robs you of your most valuable asset, your time horizon. This can cost you hundreds of thousands, if not millions, over a lifetime. This is a national economic issue. A lack of financial knowledge cost Americans an estimated $436 billion in 2022. That's hundreds of billions lost to a knowledge crash, not a stock market crash. And the problem doesn't hit everyone equally. It hurts the most vulnerable. High schools with majority Black or Hispanic students are half as likely to guarantee a personal finance course, perpetuating poverty and widening the wealth gap. Underneath it all is the silent mental toll, the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, and the anxiety of debt. This is the emotional price of financial illiteracy. If you think this conversation is important, hit the like button and subscribe to help spread the message. Section 3, the solve, why the system fails us. So why does this happen? The easy answers, a crowded curriculum or unqualified teachers, are just symptoms. The deeper reason is historical. Our public education system was born from the Industrial Revolution, designed to create a disciplined workforce. The goal was to produce efficient employees, not independent financial thinkers. Wealth creation was never part of the blueprint. The very structure of school trains you for employment. Show up on time, follow a schedule, complete tasks, get rewarded for compliance. It prepares you for a 9-to-5 job, not to build your own system. Consider a cynical perspective. Who benefits from a financially illiterate population? Debt-based industries, a government that borrows trillions, and a consumer economy that needs people to spend, not save. A financially educated public is more likely to build independent wealth, start businesses, and challenge the status quo. A financially dependent population is easier to manage. The system's design serves to maintain a predictable, debt-fueled economy. Section 4, and taking back control. This can feel disheartening, like the game was rigged. But this is the beginning of your story. The system may have failed you, but your power is in recognizing the gap and choosing to fill it yourself. The good news is, the tide is turning. As of mid-2025, 29 states now require a personal finance course for high school graduation, a huge jump from just a few years ago. This shows we are at a tipping point. So what's your first step? Don't try to learn everything overnight. The most powerful step is awareness. For the next 30 days, track every dollar you spend. Use any tool you like. Don't judge or change your habits yet. Just observe and write it down. You cannot change what you do not measure. This exercise provides a brutally honest picture of where your money actually goes. That awareness is the foundation of financial success. This journey is about shifting your mindset from a passive consumer to an active owner of your financial life. It's about making your money work for you instead of you working for it. The system didn't give you the tools, so you must forge them yourself. If you're ready to continue, I've listed 3 impactful books to give you the core knowledge you need in the description below. You weren't taught this in school, and that's not your fault. But your real education, the one that determines your financial future, starts today. The power is in your hands.